You won't believe how much Alpha Wealth Bank has evolved in 2026. Most people assume traditional banks are slow and outdated, while digital-only platforms lack real support. Alpha Wealth bridges the gap, offering reliable banking with a modern twist. Checking and savings accounts are straightforward, with competitive interest rates for savings. One unique feature is their tiered system. The more you save, the higher your interest rate climbs automatically. Most people underestimate how compounding can accelerate growth, especially with steady, incremental deposits. The Alpha Wealth app is intuitive and packed with features. You can track spending, set up budgets, and create savings goals. Visual trackers and automatic allocations make it easy to stay on top of your finances. The surprising truth is that seeing progress in real time actually increases your likelihood of sticking to a savings plan. Security is strong, with multi-factor authentication, real-time fraud alerts, and encryption. Customer service is responsive, both digitally and over the phone, giving you confidence that help is available whenever needed. The only downside is limited investment offerings. If you want advanced wealth management or brokerage services, you'll need a separate platform. But for everyday banking, growth-focused savings, and modern digital tools, Alpha Wealth delivers. So, is Alpha Wealth Bank worth it in 2026? Absolutely, for anyone who wants secure, efficient banking that rewards saving and keeps money growth simple. Subscribe for more practical finance reviews to make smarter choices with your money.